Over the years, Kenya has become the first member state to successfully undergo a second peer review. Today, the NEPAD/APRM, known as African Peer Review Mechanism, Kenya Secretarians, disseminated Kenyans a second APRM country review report at the Mombasa County Commissioner's Office. The Mombasa County Commissioner, Gilbert Kitio, paved way for the NEPAD/APRM to display their review.
Wageni kutoka NEPAD, tuko na Kaz, Mheshimiwa Kashushi ambaye yuko na sisi hapa na Mheshimiwa Mbaru, na wamekuja kutuhamasisha mambo ya NEPAD na peer review mechanism, hasa kuhusiana na mambo ya serikali ya county. Mnajua serikali yetu kuu imewahi fanyiwa peer review mechanism hapo miaka za nyuma, na wakati huu wamepangia pia imekuwa devolved ifanywe katika sehemu za county. Kwa hivyo yangu tu ni kuwakaribisha katika sehemu hii ya Mombasa na kwa kikao hiki ili watueleze zaidi ni nini ambayo wametuletea hapa mashinani.
The director of NEPAD/APRM, Kenya Secretarians, Elias Mbau, gave a scoop of the report's preview.
Kenya is a member state of African Union and attends every year the scheduled summits of African Union and many other activities. As a member state, African Union has its strategic agendas. One of the main strategic agenda is called Agenda 2063. Okay? Another major agenda is the achievement of SDGs 2030. And then down there, our country, Kenya, has its own Vision 2030. In 2006, the former president, Mwai Kibaki, submitted himself as among the first 3 countries that were reviewed since the formation of APRM in 2006. Kenya was among the top first 3 countries that were reviewed. Then in 2017, Kenya became the first country to be subjected to a review of the second round. We were the first. I'm telling you. Heads of states and eminent persons, serious people in Africa, professionals and experts coming to Kenya, going around the country, every county, to review what is our performance in matters governance and give a report. Which report is the one we are here to disseminate? We've been doing that for the past 1 year, going to every county. In fact, this Mombasa is the 46th county. Tomorrow we are in Nairobi. No, tomorrow but one we are in Nairobi to give the same recommendations to Nairobi County. And while we are doing that, we are also reminding county governments and their leadership that for the national government to be able to be reviewed comprehensively and be given scores that are commensurate. Now that we have major functions like health, agriculture, and water, which are now devolved, it is now not good, it is not logical for national government to be reviewed if the counties are not being reviewed themselves. So we are appealing to county governments to embrace and also submit for self-assessment so that they can help write their story, especially if it is Mombasa. Mombasa's governor is doing his second term. Doing second term means between when he became and when he will exit, 10 years. He has a lot he needs to get written. And the best way to get that story captured objectively is through a formal instrument which is devised by African Peer Review Mechanism, which will be truthful and not biased.
On the other hand, Mr. Nelson Gaichuhe, CS, the National Treasury and Planning, says there is a need to do a review report not only in the national level but also in the counties.
That is why we decided to come down to the counties. Na sasa tumetengeza kitu ambayo tunaita county peer review mechanism, CPRMs. Instead of the national government, now we'll be doing it at the county. It's encouraging because it's a standard mechanism. We are not saying that counties should compete. We want each county to feel independent as we review them. We are not going to say this is county number 1, this is county number 2. We just want to review people, have good governance, and make sure that all the finances that will be coming here, and especially now that we know that the new document BBI is it wants to bring a lot of money to the counties, and as National Treasury would be very happy if that 35% that will come to the county can be reviewed and we say what it is doing to the wananchi, because all our money is supposed to be for the wananchi.
Reporting for Al Shifaa TV, I'm Dalila Hamza.